Hey everybody, I just woke up. I'm tired. Didn't sleep enough, but I got stuff to do. So, this is day 13, and I just weighed myself to, what the hell was it? 215 something, like 215.8, something like that. Whatever. But 215.8. So if that, let's see how many days I've been on this diet. It's day 13. So 13, 12, 11. So figure 11 days. Started out at what, 229. So what's that, like 14? I don't know. It's too damn early. What is that? Let me see. It was 229, 213. Like 16 pounds, something like that. So, 16 pounds, I take it. And I'm not sleeping like enough. I'm sleeping like I went to sleep at 12 something today, woke up at 4, so it's 4 hours of sleep, and I went to bed last night, so I'm not really like sleeping 8 hours. If I would have slept another 4 hours, like I know I woke up at like 1:30, and I weighed myself, and I weighed 216, and so your body burns fat all day long, or burns fat and burns the protein that you've eaten. So if I eat right now and then 2 hours later I weigh myself, of course it hadn't burned anything off, or hardly anything. So that's why I don't worry about what I weigh. I know I probably have lost at least 20 pounds in 13 days, 11 days. So it's almost 2 pounds a day. I'm not complaining. So on I probably just go to phase 2 and I'll be done. Or phase 3, I mean, when I do my next 15 days. So I'll probably be on this diet 30 days. I'll lose my 40 pounds and I'm done. I don't want to get much smaller than 180. Hey, I got to say 1. So 180. So anyway, I'm going to take my diet at this is day 13. Oh, wait a minute, it's only really 12 is done. So this is 13 starting out. So yeah, it's almost 2 pounds a day. Can't beat this diet, man. Come on. Shit, this diet, you ought to yell from the rooftops. Everybody crazy. But see, Weight Watchers and nobody else, they can't make any money off this. What are you going to do? Sell them something? Oh, see, there you go. See, it's in there. See, but you start getting to the end, man, you can't get it out. And that's always been the issue. So you have to bring it up here to your fingers. Like so, maybe. It still don't want to come out. Man. So you really have to be creative. Let's put it that way. On how you do it. Yeah. So I might mix up some more just to be done with it. Oh, right on my line. Okay. So anyway, this is dose 13. Or no, what is it? Day 13, dose 25. 25, dose 25. I told you only simple mass. I don't want to do no heart math. So I'll probably do tonight, maybe. I don't know. Shoot. I gotta figure out a way to get this out of here. I don't like dropping it because it stains everything. Because that red. Plus, I don't want to waste it, so I'll probably figure something out. But usually, if you put a needle on it, then you can get it out, but it's really slow. But you can do it. So anyway, I'm going to upload this video, and I'm going to be going to work tonight, and I'm going to take this probably right before I go to work. Again, I'm a little late today. I was supposed to take it a couple hours ago, but it don't matter. As long as you get 1 milligram a day, you're fine. So anyway, hope y'all having a lovely day. I am, and I will. I need to shave. That's weekend stuff, and you just let yourself go. But anyway, I will see you guys tonight.